let me show you my area real quick. Most of the people from the east knows this place. Niña's Oriental food. Oriental, man. Kimchi is here. Yo, what's up, man? So it's 2 p.m. right now and the sun is out and it's my day off, baby. So I was off for 2 days, but this is the second day. So the only thing I've been doing on the first day was just laying on bed, and then now I paid off price. It's like my neck hurts, my chest hurts. It's like I think from laying down all day. And now I've decided to get up and do some work. I'm gonna go to play basketball in the park, but first I'm gonna tour you around since I'm leaving London and I'm gonna move out to Sunderland. So let me show you my area real quick. So I live in Upton Park. So I've been living here all my life. It's like most of my life here in UK. And I mean my address is Plaistow, but our nearest high street is Upton Park, and then I've been using the Upton Park station for the commute. Just look at the weather, so perfect. The sky is blue, the sun is out, and it's time to go out. But anyway, so this is our main road, and this road is called Barking Road. So on the right is going to Canning Town, and we're going to the left at the moment. This road to the left is going to East Ham. There's an interesting shop there as well. We call it Filipino shop. This shop is like selling some Filipino stuff, so let's go there first. Look at this one first. Look at this one. Look across the road. Do you see that blue shop? That's my shop. Yeah, Goldard Veterinary Group. That's my name. Goldard. Most of the people from the east knows this place. The best kebab shop of newham. That kebab shop is very famous here. So that's the #1 kebab shop, I think, in East London. Erika loves that shop. That's her favorite, and I'm sure Erika's gonna miss it, but I think Sunderland got good kebab shop as well. Check out this statue, man. So this is the statue of Bobby Moore. I think this is for West Ham. So England and West Ham United captain Bobby Moore, said blah blah blah. So this is about him, West Ham and England. So this is a bit historical statue. Bobby Moore. Let's go. Here's the shop that I'm talking about. So it's called Niña's Oriental food. Oriental, man. And so this is Pinoy and Thai food. So, and then we've got this Philippine flag. Pinoy, proud Pinoy, baby. Let's go inside. I'm just gonna get a drink. Which drink I'm gonna get? They've got lots of mocha as well, but I think I saw what I want. Since we're going to play basketball, I'm gonna get this one. Pocari Sweat. Let's go, and then let's continue walking. I forgot that they have a £5 minimum spend to pay in the card, but Boston allowed me to pay. This Pocari Sweat is $2.99. Damn, it's expensive, and I should have just bought some regular energy drink, but still I love Pocari Sweat, and Bossman is quite good to me. So yeah, let's go. I'm going to Tesco at the moment. Yeah, we've got Papa's Chicken here. It's one of the best chicken and chip shop in East. Tesco. I'm just gonna get this water for the park, and that's 85p. I've got the water and I'm planning to sit down for a bit on Bobby Moore statue, because that place is nice to chill, man. Everyone's chilling there, drinking, just chilling, like looking at the cars. As you can see, Upton Park is growing, so we've got a new housing project right there. That's quite a nice area as well. I'm just gonna have a rest for a bit here in front of Bobby Moore statue, because I'm a bit tired, man. My neck, as I said, my neck hurts right now. I think I got a stiff neck. I don't know what's going on, man. It hurts a lot. We've got the famous Boleyn pub. That's the Boleyn pub, is our local pub. We've got a Queen's pub on that side as well, like straight down there. This is Green Street, so that's Bust East Ham. And Boleyn pub is so nice to drink there. Boleyn pub, I remember me and my stepdad John, rest in peace, he passed away already, but anyways, he always brings me there to have a pint with him. So the ambience is so nice, the place is so good, and they have renovated it. They've got good food as well. Me and my mum and Erika had tried it after we went to church, and it's quite good. They've got roast dinner and some steak as well, but I think it's a bit pricey. I mean, it's London price, but it's a bit pricey for Upton Park, but the pint is still cheap. It's nice, so yeah, it is affordable. I mean, so it's rated. I rate it as a 10 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 8 out of 10. Now let's go straight to Green Street. Green Street. Here's the Catholic Church, Our Lady of Compassion Catholic Church. This is where Kiara has her baptism, and this is our local church as well. My mom always comes here every Sunday. So that's the church. Here's the other side of the housing project that I showed you a while ago. So this is mostly done. So this area is where the West Ham Football Club stadium stands. So the whole of it is the West Ham stadium, since West Ham went to Stratford Olympic Park now, so they just made a housing place here. It's a good place, man. Damn bro, my neck really hurts a lot, especially now that I've got a big bag, and when I put the water inside my bag and then I'm carrying it, I can feel it on my back and my neck. So I think I've had a bad position sleeping last night. I mean, I've been on bed the whole day yesterday. It's like, whew, it's just on bed. I feel so lazy, man. That's why now I've decided to get up, really, like, so that keep the blood pumping, you know. So let's go walk more straight away, straight ahead, straight away. Fucking my English, bro. By the way, this street that I'm walking is Green Street. This is the high street of Upton Park. So there's a lot of shops in here, and good quality shops too. We've got lots of chicken and chip shops as well, and some corner shops. So that means this place is banging and fun and lively. That's the Queen's pub. That's another local pub in our area, but I haven't had a drink there before though. I've been to Berlin but not here. Queen's pub, and beside it is the Queen's Market there and the Upton Park station. They're renovating the Queen's Market, but let's cross that side on Upton Park station and we're gonna go inside the Queen's Market. There are more shops down there, but we're going here to Upton Park station. Let's go into Queen's Market. So this is where we always get our steak. King's Corner halloumi. We're going inside now. There's no vendor selling at the moment, so they just made it as a parking spot. But anyways, there's gonna be lots of fruits here, fruit stand, vegetable stand, and lots of stuff like a market, isn't it? It's got lots of hair thing as well. This is where we get the seafood all the time in that shop, but we're not getting seafood. Let's walk around here, and there's some shop that's selling Filipino as well. Not Filipino, but selling Filipino stuffs. It's this one, quality stores. So you're gonna get, oh see, kimchi is here. So yeah, you can get Filipino stuff in this thing in Queen's Market, quality stores. So let's go, let's walk more. Queen's Market is a big wet market here in East London. It's cheaper to buy the seafood and some meat and some vegetables here. Most people come here to grocery during the day, but during the night I don't recommend you come in here because it's a bit dodgy. There are so many crackheads here during the night. I mean, it depends, but yeah, it's almost every night because I always pass by here from work, and this is the way towards my home from the station. So I always tell Erika, always be careful here if you come here because there's so many crackheads. So that's it, man. It's just the crackhead problem. But aside from that, Queen's Market is quite a good place to shop. Yeah. I've got out of Queen's Market and I'm walking now towards my home. So basically, we have to pass by our home if we want to go to the basketball park because it's on the other side. But anyways, that's our high street, man. It's quite lively, man. Behind me is the way to the tube station. This is my route every day towards my work. I've always walked here. We're going into the Western Road, so this is a long road and the end of it is my home. Upton Park is located in Newham Borough and this is East London. I've lived here since I was 19, 9 years ago. My whole life that I spent here in UK is here in Upton Park, so this is like a memorable place to me. I'm never gonna forget about it. I grew up here, so I love this place, and yeah, that's it. It's making me emotional. I wanna cry. No, I'm not. This area got a lot of Filipino community as well. The Filipino community is big here, and it's so nice seeing like when you're walking around the area and then you just see Filipinos on the road. So it's quite like it's making you feel comfortable. It just like feels back home, but it's not, but still at least you see some the same faces as you. So yeah, man, I love this place, man. We're on our block, so that's my block right there, the brown buildings. We're going to the park now so that we can start playing, but of course I'm not gonna show you me playing since I don't have a tripod, and once we arrive I'm gonna cut the video. That's it. I want to focus as well, but man, my body is aching, my whole body, bro. I think it's age. So I'm 28 and then I'm feeling shit already. This is not good. And we are 5 minutes away from the park, 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, let's just go walk with me. Yeah, this is a long walk, you know. It's like I have circled a whole area for this vlog. This is just 2 minutes away from my house. If we go right here is another school where there is a basketball gym. So here, if you see that yellow thing, there's a school there. The school on the end of the street is where Silangan basketball team trains. Silangan basketball team is my Filipino team. So I grew up in that team as well. I joined that team since I was 19 as well. So see, we always do our training there. But of course we stopped and then we moved to a different place. But anyways, venue for training was just near to my house. This corner shop too, I always buy there on my way to basketball park. Man, I've been looking for ages, bro. But don't worry, we're nearly there. Just like my neck. Sorry, I've been complaining about my neck the whole time, but it really hurts. I mean, I've got a high tolerance on pain, but now that I'm saying it, like I've been complaining about it, that means that it really hurts. So I'm getting old. We are now near, so the end of this road is one of the main road as well. So on the right is towards Plaistow and Stratford. So Plaistow station is just on that side, and then we're going to the left. We're always going to the left. So that's it. Plaistow Park is just on that side. So we're going that side, yeah. We're gonna cross on this one, and then we're gonna go to that Barber Alley. We're in Barber's Alley now. You got to be careful if you're walking here. Not because of people, but because of there's so many dog shit, man. You are gonna step onto one. Barber's Alley is the back part of Plaistow Park, and the basketball park is inside the Plaistow Park. So this alley is near the basketball court, so that's why I want to go here. See, that's the basketball court right there. Let's go to Plaistow Park. There's so many pigeons on that side. Barber's Alley is the most dangerous place that we've walked so far, since you don't know what you're gonna step onto, and it's full of shit, man. That's the most dangerous place here in Upton. I mean, at Plaistow. This is Plaistow. Barber's Alley. I called it Shitty Alley. That's the park here, and we're going here to the red cage. Balaam Court right here. So we're here in the peaceful Balaam Court, and of course Balaam Court is SBB UK certified. Cheers! And this court, there's so many legends that played here. Lots of Filipino legends in the UK played here. I think people knows who they are, and probably most Filipino in East London played in this court. So this is where Filipinos before play. There's a lot of players here, bro, but at the moment it's just me. So yeah, I hope I'm gonna play here more, but since I'm living in Sunderland, I hope I'm gonna still be able to visit this court, because this court is where I always play. So this is where I play most of the time here in UK, really. I came here same time as I live in that place in Upton Park. I mean in Plaistow, because our address is Plaistow. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah, please, my boss's stream. Let's go, baby.